Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. So I'm just coming to you with what you consider, I don't know if I would consider it a sacrifice, but this is one of our Fuji persimmon trees. And you see all the flowers it has on it. Well, this tree last year gave us 5 persimmons. So this year, we're not going to allow her to give us any because we're going to allow her to grow. And look how many flowers she has on her already. And here's the rest of my persimmons. So I have enough persimmon trees that's flowering. But let me show you something. This is my little garbage bag. Look how many flowers I've already taken off of her. So basically, yes, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And this is what we do to a lot of our young trees. Now, last year, we got a little excited. So we left the flowering on here, thinking that she wasn't going to, maybe that she was going to drop the flowers. And she didn't. And the persimmons were delicious. And they were nice sized persimmons too. But unfortunately, that slowed down her growth. So this year, she takes a break. She has already proven to us that she flowers and gives us some excellent persimmons. And like I said, I already have flowering persimmon trees. Yes, we love persimmons. But they'll go alternate years now. Last year, we didn't get any from this one. This is the biggest one. This year, she got about 100 on her. And this one gave us 2, and she got about 40 on her. So you're still going through the rest of, the windy season, hurricane season. So you got to factor all that in. There you go. See the flowers? Let's see if you can see the flowers on her. There you go. Yeah, so there's a lot of flowers on her. And this right here is another one, and she's flowering all over the place. And this one right here, which is supposed to be Hannah, which is supposed to be, I guess, the biggest one, she has 1 flower. Now, we just put her in the ground, so I'm not going to really worry about her. So, yes, we got plenty of persimmon trees. We tend to duplicate or have a lot of trees that we enjoy the fruits, just to make sure that we get some of the fruits that we love each year. And, sometimes trees take a break. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing out here. I'm going to continue to take all of these off of her. And she's just going to have to grow, because that's what she needs to do. So I just give them a little twist, and yeah, pop them off. So yeah, that's our persimmon. I call it our persimmon orchard right there, producing very, very well for us. And the trees that did not flower this year, which was my Santa Rosa plum and my medley, they went ahead and got their trim already. Because as you can tell, the way we like our trees to be shaped, where they get that airflow and they become nice and strong. So give them some strength for when that wind is blowing all over the place, and we get very windy back here. So yeah, just bringing you this little short video on persimmons and how we go ahead and let this tree grow. We also got a persimmon tree back there. Well, we're going to go ahead and let this tree grow, and we're not going to allow her to fruit for us. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.